In this video we are going to talk about the best slow cooker in this year, which is Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. 7-in-1 functionality: pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking: 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow: pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup: fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features: includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Great for growing families, cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Versatile inner cooking pot: we use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking, and perfect for sautéing. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.